Looking for a muffin recipe that's both gluten-free and out-of-this-world delicious? You're about to discover how to make gluten-free chocolate chip muffins that are so light and fluffy you'll forget they're free of gluten. Let's make baking magic happen. Here's what you'll need: gluten-free all-purpose flour, maple syrup, baking powder, baking soda, salt, melted butter, eggs, coconut milk, vanilla extract, and of course chocolate chips. First, we add 8 tablespoons of melted butter. You could use coconut oil instead to make this dairy-free. Then add 3/4 cup maple syrup, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1½ cups of canned coconut milk, and 3 eggs. Give that a mix. Next is the dry ingredients: 2½ cups gluten-free flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Mix until everything is combined. Now add in 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Feel free to add a bit more if you like things extra chocolatey. Make sure everything is nicely blended together. Now we are going to let the batter rest for 1 hour at room temperature. This will allow the batter to get thicker and fluffier. While you wait, you can prepare your muffin pan with liners or spray with cooking spray. Once the hour is up, you can preheat your oven to 425 degrees and start scooping the batter into the muffin pan. These gluten-free chocolate chip muffins are absolutely delicious, soft, fluffy, and full of chocolatey goodness. Perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even dessert. Place muffins into the 425-degree oven for 5 minutes, then lower the temperature to 350 degrees for an additional 12 minutes. Once they're baked, let the muffins cool in the tin for about 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Thanks for baking with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious ideas. Happy baking!